Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anika from Relumens. Today I'm going to give you a very exciting news, that is we have a contract with Bell Nubian company. So they have launched a new product. So I brought this product in front of you. Now I'm going to tell you about this product in details. So at first I'm going to discuss about the product, which is called Bell Nubian Vitamin C with collagen. So this one is very useful for your skin, and you know the collagen is a very important factor for your skin. So vitamin C and collagen, you are getting both this in one product. So this is a very exciting news because we have to need both the ingredients for our skin. So vitamin C and collagen, you are getting this combinedly in one capsule, and the other one is vitamin C 600 gs. So this one is only vitamin, which is very useful for your skin, because we know that vitamin C contains ascorbic acid. So this vitamins is very useful for your skin. It contains 600 gs, and this also contains some other ingredients. For example, rose hips. You know, rose hips are very important factor for the glow of your skin, and those who have the pale skin can use this vitamin C in regular basis. On the other hand, we have the Gluta-Nubian Plus. So those who have anti-aging problem after 30-35, they can use this Gluta-Nubian Plus for anti-aging, and this also contain vitamin C and the collagen. And not only the collagen, it also contain lipoic acid and ALA alpha, which are also the important ingredients for your skin. So the Gluta-Nubian Plus is for those who have facing the anti-aging problem. Now we are going to talk about the Gluta 600 gs. So those who want to be brighter or whiter, one or two shades, they can use this Gluta 600 gs. This Gluta 600 gs contains glutathione. You know the glutathione is a very important factor, or very important ingredient. So this contains glutathione 600 gs, and also this contains vitamin E. So vitamin E contains a very important factor which helps to glow your skin. Not the glowing your skin, also it helps in brightening and also anti-aging, and also contain ALA, LPH and lipoic acid. So this also contain the placenta. So this can be used by all aged people, or men and women. So Bella Nubian is a very important, a good brand. We all know that they brought this Gluta 600 gs product in front of us, and we have the Bella Nubian and super collagen and biotin. So Bell Nubian brought us the super collagen and biotin. This biotin is very useful for your hair and nails. So we are getting the three problem in one solution, that is skin, hair and nails. So we know that we lost our glow from the skin and also from our hair. So those who are facing this kind of problem can use this Bell Nubian super collagen and biotin in combinedly. So these all 5 products are very useful for our skin, hair and also for the nails. So I will recommend you, or I will suggest you to use this supplement in a regular basis, 2 capsules per day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the night, or if you forgot to take 1 in morning, you can take 2 in night. So this can be used by both men and women. So you are getting this all medicine or supplement in Relumens. So thank you so much for being with us. Bye bye.